Hello everyone, Anna San Luis with VicePage. I've been talking about how can we help your business to be more financially wealthy, be more like in the cash flow, abundance, and so forth. So today we're going to talk about an interesting topic, infinite banking. I'm going to tell you that you can Google it, infinite banking with Rockefellers, and it's the best way to, first of all, grow your wealth, and second of all, you can write that off from your taxes. What? Yes. But let me explain to you how it works. So, infinite banking, right? So, I'm going to tell you something that may blow your mind, but actually, the tool that we utilize to do this is something that you may heard a lot, and is whole life insurance policy. What? Yes. So let's say you have an extra $100,000, right? So you say, okay, Anna, I'm gonna put $100,000 is a single premium in a whole life insurance policy. Beautiful. Then guess what is gonna happen? 2024, you're gonna have a policy that has increased cash value, guaranteed growth. Doesn't matter how the market does because it will never crash, pays dividends, has a death benefit built on it, and benefits tax-free. Now, check this out. Let's say you have a cash value. Yes, the cash value is the money you put in. In the beginning, part of the money goes to a cash value account where you're going to have cash available, penalty-free, tax-free, and then the another part of it is going to go towards the benefit. But through the time, this cash value account start growing more and more and more. Now, check this out. Let's say you have, I'm just going to pick a number, $50,000. And you take $50,000 from that cash, even if you don't need it. So this money comes tax-free to your account, right? To the company's account. Once that happens, you have to make payments back, right? Usually the interest rate is between 1 and 3%, right? Guess what? Instead of paying 7, 11, 15, 20% to a bank, right? What you're going to do is you're going to pay this back to yourself, to your own account. And this is where the writing off taxes come in place. Every single payment you make, every single month, you write that off in a tax report. That is what is called infinite banking, because here goes the interest back to you, grow and grow and grow. And on top of that, let's say God forbid, you put this $100,000, will give you, I will say about, depends on your age, if you smoke and how healthy you are, but it can give you about $500,000-$600,000 tax-free death benefit. So let's say you put this money and a tragedy happens and you pass away. Your company will get that money 100% tax-free. So no matter how money is just circulating tax-free and tax advantages over here through the company, through the cash flow, and just growing and growing and growing. For more details, we can sit down with your CPA and we can go through how all of this can be possible and how you can take advantage of this program. I've been helping several businesses in the last 2 years with this powerful tool, and they have nothing to say but excellent things about it. Again, Google it, Infinite Banking Rockefellers, how they transfer their wealth and so forth. with no tax implications. Or you can reach out at info@lifebridgegroup.com. Follow us at ViceBridge, Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn. You can find us as ViceBridge as well, or Anna M. San Luis. And you can just go to our website, vicebridge.com, and reach out. We look forward to connecting with you, and stay tuned because the best is yet to come.